Okay, writing of the program for the digital systems as the 4:1 marks, full adder, and also counter also. We'll see. First one, you consider the writing of the data flow model with the 4:1 marks. Shall I write this one? ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಇಷ್ಟನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಯಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, examples of data flow model. Description is nothing but the other. We will not use the program and barela. Okay, in the examination also he will not ask you to write the program. Description and kirtan. Description is nothing but what the writing a program in the HTML, Verilog HTML. Okay, first one will consider the 4:1 marks. 4:1 marks. ಈಗ 4:1 marks ಕೇಳೋಣ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2:1 marks ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 8:1 marks ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ದ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಲ್ ದ different types of marks also. Marks is nothing but the multiplexer. If you go with any theater, we have the so many screens over there. We'll watch only what the one screen. Okay, similarly, even the telephone also, if you are getting the so many calls at the same time, we'll attend only what the only one call. That's nothing but the you are taking the one input as the output. That's the multiplexer. Multiplexer will have the how many inputs? Many inputs, only one output here. Here the what type of multiplexer I consider here? 4:1 marks. 4:1 marks is nothing but the 4 inputs are there. I1, I0, I1, I2, I3, and the only how many outputs here? Only one output. That is what the out. That is what the out. E1, this name can be given as the 4:1 marks. For this one, how to select this one? Okay, 4 combinations are there. How many combinations I need here? 4 combinations. 4 combinations means what? How to select this one? With the help of the select lines or control signals. Select lines or control signals with the S0 and the S1. S0 and S1 you will have the two table here, the combination here, the S0 and the S1. Okay, this is what the out. That's what the as the out. I have to select the output. This is the S1 and S0. Okay, this input is to be considered as the output. How with the combination for the 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, for this combination of input, that's the select lines. The input line, that's the I0 will be selected as what the output. I0 select for input as selected as the output. For this combination of select lines, I will get the I0 I1 as the input as the output here. Similarly, for this combination of select lines, I could get the output. For this one, I can get the I3 as the output here for this combination of select lines. It means here the select lines play a role in order to select the input as the output here. With the combination of select lines only, I can get the input as the output. Then only it will be decided. Okay, this is what the block diagram of the 4:1 marks and the truth table for the 4:1 marks. 4:1 marks. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿನ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು just I am shown the combination here. Okay, combination here. Okay. Okay, Boolean expression for this one is what the out. Out is to be written as the I0 I have to select here. What is that? I0 I have to select it. I0 select ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ I0 ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರೀರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, I1 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ, I2 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ, I3 select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. On what basis I have to select? With the help of what the select lines S0 and S1. S0 and S1. S0 ಏನದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is to I put the cap or bar here. Okay, S0 bar, S1 bar. Then similarly S0, S1 is what the S0 is what the 0 is there, bar is there, S1 is not bar, and also S0 and S1. I have to select this S0 and S1. S0 is what the high, that is the one having the, that was we don't have any bar here, negation. Okay, S1 is what the 0 combination. 1 combination for this one, output is what the I3 for I3. S0 and S1 combination for the output is what the, so that S0 and S1. Okay, this is nothing but the, this is what the Boolean equation we got the express the from the truth table of the with the help of the truth table we written the 4:1 marks equation, Boolean equation. From this is the only one logic. If you remember this one, then you have to remember the 4:1 marks, and you can write how to write this equation. You should have to remember how to write Prajot, how to select this one I0 as the input here based on what? Select lines. What type of select lines combination I should have? 0 combination idre matra I0 bartada, 0 combination idre I1 bartada. Okay, 0 1. Okay, 0 combination idre matra I2 bartada, and the 1 combination idre matra I3 as the output will get. This is the way of writing the Boolean equation. If you know these three things, definitely you can easily write the program in the data flow model. Even you can also write the program in what the gate level model. Already we seen in the last section, that is the writing of the program in the Verilog HDL program in the gate level model. But today we'll write while referring this equation only, we'll write the program in the data flow model. Okay. How to write the program? So always start with what the 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, how to write this program? Always start with the module and the end module. End module, yes sir. Module name can be here the 4:1 mux. Just to write the mux has the 4:1. Okay, then I have to list the port list. How many inputs are here? Just to observe. How many outputs are? Only one. These select lines also considered what the inputs only. Just to show the arrow mark here. These are what the inputs. This is what the output here. This is also input. Okay, these are also input here. Okay, port list can be here. What the first I have to write what the port list. First ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಏನದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? I0, I1, and also two more inputs are there. S0 and S1 has also be considered as the input here. S0 and S1. Okay, this is what the writing a port list here. Then the list here the inputs and outputs separately. A ports as the input. Which are those inputs? I0, I1, I2, I3, and S0 and S1 also. You can also define the input one more way as the keyword, and also S0 and S1 separately. Okay, instead of giving the separate, I have written the in one single input. Okay, next you write the output. Output are how many here? Output are how many? Only one, that is the out. Only one output. Is there any wires here? Is there any wires? No wires. No wires, no interconnection between the any gates and all. Only no wires here. So that there we are, what we are doing, we are applying the one AND gate, second AND gate, third AND gate, fourth AND gate. 4 AND gates, one OR gate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು logical design ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Instead of doing that one, we are writing the directly the program here the as the assign keyword as the out as the out, that is to be written as the, this is what the I have to select the I0 as the first, and then I have to select the plus one is this is what the S0 bar is there. S0 bar hang baritri negation of S0 with the, this is the dot operator. We don't have any dot operator. Dot is nothing but the AND operator I have to use. AND operator I have to use. AND ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? S1 ಬರಬೇಕು. S1 with the and here. Okay, this is what the first. I will be selecting the I naught as the output here. Similarly, I have the here what the operator here? Plus operator. That's nothing but the logical or. So how to write that one? Only single line. Or operator. This is what the, is it a logical operator or arithmetical operator? Arithmetical operator. It is to be written in the programming side as the plus as the with the or operator. Then the write the similarly S0 and with the S1 and with the this I have to write the negation here also S0 and S1 bar, S0 and S1 bar, so that the negation of S0, negation of and with the negation of S1 and with the I0. Similarly, I have to write the S0 as the negation of S0, S1 and with the I2, I1. Then the R is repeated here. Then the negation of negation barala yakandra 1 0 is there. 1 idre en baritire directly S0 barire. S0 with the and is there. Just to write the and here. Dot idre and ant barire. Next ಏನದ S1 bar ಅದ ಅದು ಸಲಕ. So I have to write the negation of for the S1 and also similarly negation of for the and with the I2 and with the I2. Similarly I have to write the straight line with the S0, S1 and S3. S0 and with the S1 and with the I3. This was the writing of the program. This was the completed. We are not using any gate names and all. Okay, instead of using the gate names, those gate names to be written with the help of the operator as the for the logical and logical or negation, not gate and all. Okay, this was the writing of the program. Okay, this was the we have written the same program 4:1 marks in the data logic ಯಾವುದು ಗೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಐನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, just we are writing that boolean equation itself here that we solve with the assign with the this is what the equation has to be written in the form of boolean. That's the logical HDL model. Okay, even we can also select write the same program in the while using the conditional operator. We written the program with the help of writing using the operators as the arithmetic operators and the logical operators and all. Even this program can also be written with the help of the what the conditional operator. ಯಾವ ತರ conditional operator use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, that one we'll see. Just to copy this figure, this program, you just to copy this first diagram and this one and the later you are then you write the this program here. End model ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ದೂರ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿ. Okay, while using the conditional operator, shall I erase this one? ಬರಂದಿ ತೆಗೆಂದಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Show me that where you written that one. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸುಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, next I'll be writing this with the help of what the conditional operator. Shall I write this one? Very faster, very. Conditional operators ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಆಪರೇಟರ್? ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಕೋಲನ್. Conditional operator andra if it is my condition is true, if my condition is here what the I have to select anta this condition is the select anyone antada select if it is true antana true idda illi en baritiri write the here false ಇದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. either of one it has to select, so that I use the two operands here. 3, how many operands I need here? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 operands I need here. Operators ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 2 operator ಬೇಕು, 2 operator ಬೇಕು. Okay, for conditional writing. Okay, I hope you all copied this one, so that I have to be writing the same program with the help of for the conditional operator. Okay, the writing of the program I will be asking. Okay, in the examination, write a Verilog HDL program in the data flow model with the conditional operator for the 4:1 marks ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ you have to write the model itself 4:1 marks, same input output and same ಇರಬೇಕು, but you have to write the program, okay, in the form of for the conditional operator with the assign out. Assign ಅಂದ್ರೆ out. Okay, condition is here. What is the conditional operator here? S1 is, if S1 is 0, ಏನದ? If S1 is 0, then it has to select which one? I0 ಮತ್ತು I2 select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If S1 is 0, it is to be selected as what the I1 and I2, so that I have to make it for the I1 ಮತ್ತು I2 ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ I1 I2 ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದು? S0, so that it is to be selected one more time as the, what is that value here? S0. S0 is true. If the S0 is it has to be selected one more time, it has to select which one? First one, which one will be selecting? I1 select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. I1 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? S1 ಮತ್ತು S0 ಎರಡು 0 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ I1 select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ S1 0 ಇದ್ದು S0 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? it has to select what the I3 select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. or else it has to select what the S0 is, what the S0 here? It has to select the which one is the now I2 and the I4. ಒಂದ್ರೆ S0 ಏನಿರ್ತದ 0 ಇದ್ರ ಇದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ರೆ S0 1 ಇದ್ರ ಇದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, S0 0 ಇದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು S0 0 ಇದ್ರ it is to become our control should come here. ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ S0 0 ಇದ್ರ I1 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I0 it has to select the I0. Okay, if it is a S0 is 0, I0 select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ if S0 is 1 ಇದ್ರೆ I3 select I2. Okay, sorry, I2 I3, sorry, I1 I3. Okay, right, you are right. Now the is 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ it should come to this part. Okay, similarly if S0 is 0, then it has to select the I0. If S0 is 1, it has to select the I2. Similarly, if S0 is 1, if S0 1 idra matra it has to come to this part. Then if I1 is 0, sorry, S0 is 0, then it has to select the first I1. If S0 is 1, it has to select the I3. This is what while using the conditional operator we return the program, Verilog HDL program in the data flow model. Just to copy that one. Sak. What is the time now? 11:05. Okay, in the tomorrow I'll take the 4-bit one, 4-bit full adder. Okay, that is the 4-bit full adder, and also 4-bit counter also we'll take. Okay, 4-bit carry look ahead adder, and also one more is that ripple counter also, 4-bit ripple counter also. These two are also very easy while writing. I'll be taking the next class. Okay, by this 2 more concept, 2 more program, writing a program we will be completing the 3 modules without missing any single concept. And also I solved the question papers also. Sadia, what was the discussion about this one? No? What you are asking? What you are asking? Okay, tomorrow only. Yesterday only I taught you. Okay, attendance I'll take. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.